If you have been wondering if your Instagram account is private or public, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to know that, so let's jump right into it. Now first, you need to open your Instagram account, make your way to your profile by tapping right here in the bottom right corner, and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner right there. Now tap on settings and privacy, tap on account privacy. As you can see, it is public now. To make it private, turn this toggle on and your profile will be private. Just tap here to confirm the action, and once you go back to your profile, it will be private. One thing you can know that is to notice this little lock next to your username in the top left corner of the screen. If you want to set your account to public, or if it is now private and you want to set it back to public, tap again in the top right corner, tap on settings and privacy, go back to account privacy, and then make sure this toggle is off. So if this toggle is on, that means your account is private. If it is off, that means your account is public. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.